Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. In this video, I am going to show you all how to properly wrap your hair, your silk pressed hair, especially when you have curls in it. Let's hop right into this video because your girl is tired and she wants to take this makeup off. So we are looking at 3-day hair. This is my hair 3 days after getting it pressed, and it basically looks the same as it did on the day that I got it pressed. What I did was first just brush through my hair because I need to get any tangles out that may have gotten caught up throughout my day. So I brushed through my hair first, and then I pin curl my hair. I do 4 sections. My hair, I have medium density hair, so my hair is not very thick, so I don't need to do many sections on my hair when doing this. And so if you have thicker hair, you might find yourself needing to do more, and if you want your hair to be even curlier, do more. But I have found that 4 pin curls has been best for me. So what I do is I brush the section to get the curls all molded together, and then I curl it up just like this. And I don't go all the way up, I just do the bottom, and then I use bobby pins. And then I use bobby pins to pin the curl, just like that. And I don't get any bobby pin marks in my hair or anything like that. So I have found this to be the secret formula to retaining your curls while you have a silk press in. Brushing it, getting it to curl into one chunk like that, and then twisting the curl up just like that, using a single bobby pin. That the last section. Curl it up, bobby pin, just like that. And then I grab a scarf, a larger scarf, and then I literally just wrap it on like this. So this is keeping the outside of my hair flat, and it's retaining those curls that I have in. And you don't need to tie this like crazy tight, just tie it in a way that makes it stay on like that, and then put a bonnet on. Yeah, that's literally how I have been wrapping my hair to retain my curls without compromising the curls, and still having just cute hair. So I will follow up with you all in the morning. Hey y'all, it is the next day, the next morning. I'm fit to go and do some things. No, I'm about to go about my day. I was sleeping a little rough last night, and my bonnet was probably sitting right here when I woke up. So this is what we looking like. I'm a little nervous. I haven't woken up to my hair looking like this since pin curling, but here's day 4 of my straight hair, and we are going to take these pin curls out. Okay, they're all out, and then what I do is just go through with my fingers. My favorite thing to do. Give it a shake like that. I'm gonna brush it some too. Oh yeah, I messed up on my sleep last night. This is a first. Not gonna lie, I might apply just a teeny bit of heat to fix that bump. It's gonna be on a super low setting. I just want to bump this out because clearly your girl was sleeping real rough. I had a good sleep though. Aside from that, like, you can see how this side's looking. Like, this side looks just fine, and that's usually what this side looks like. And then as my day goes on, my curls drop a little bit, not drastically, but they drop some, which is the preferred look that I like. I prefer the more dropped look, but as you guys can see, it does look good though. And for my hair to be looking like this day 4, and it's still like, it still feels and looks good. Let me show y'all the back. So I really recommend this. Let me know if y'all have tried the pin curls with your silk press, and let me know if I'm late to the game. I'm pretty sure I am, but let me know if I am or not. Let me know if this is your first time hearing about the pin curling and all that. And for those of you who wear your silk presses just completely bone straight, do you all wrap your hair in a different way outside of the traditional like beehive wrap? Because I would like to know if there are any tips or tricks for sleeping with your hair bone straight. I hope this video was helpful for any of you all out there. I hope it was helpful for the few of you who reached out to me on Instagram as well. Please be kind to yourselves, take care of yourselves, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye.